In the next 30 seconds, you'll learn how to become a super affiliate faster than ever before by using the power of GPT and this new software. It's time to introduce Ultimate Affiliate AI, the software that has over 100,000 prompts already built in. Here's how it works. Step 1. Let's log in and select the hot converting affiliate product you wish to promote in one click. We direct link into all the major networks like ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Okay, so we'll choose this top selling offer on ClickBank. Let's copy the website as shown, enter it into the software and hit create, and boom! Within 30 to 60 seconds your campaign is ready to go. Step 2. Next we want to generate our promotional tools. Text ad, keywords, YouTube script, LinkedIn ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, email follow-up, landing page, or even your own custom prompt. So let's build a Facebook ad. We click here, we select our target audience, we select our gender and our target date range, and Ultimate Affiliate AI can even do friendly, professional or funny. We hit create and boom! It's ready! You simply point and click and our behind the scenes AI GPT works its magic. Humans, if you're watching this, you should be very afraid. Without Ultimate Affiliate AI, you're a sitting duck, but with it, you're light years ahead of the game. AI is the future, and when you plug in Ultimate Affiliate AI, you will be unstoppable. Ultimate Affiliate AI can build anything you need in seconds. Facebook ads, Google ads, email follow-up sequences, keyword lists, LinkedIn, headline ideas, YouTube scripts in any industry you can imagine. Build incredible ads for your super affiliate campaigns. Build amazing content for your local clients. Build entire marketing campaigns for your own business. You're in total control. Watch this. I can create a YouTube script in a matter of seconds. Select the script length. Enter the website I wish to promote. Target audience, gender, age range, and what tone. We then hit create, and in seconds your YouTube ad script is ready. Look! It even creates director's notes, scene selections and much more. There are so many potential ways to generate income. You could head over to Fiverr or Upwork, charge $1,000 for 5 emails and get Super Affiliate AI to write it for you. Brainstorm headline ideas in a single click. Want to build a keyword list? Simply enter a few details and boom, it's done. Ultimate Affiliate AI works in hundreds of industries. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's the future. And for a limited time only, we are doing exclusive launch pricing. What does that mean? First, you save over 75% off the regular price, and 2, you join today for a one-off fee. No monthly charges ever. And after launch, this will change. So lock in now and get Ultimate Affiliate AI for the best deal ever.